Today we're going to make a yummy cinnamon rolls recipe that uses a lot less sugar but still tastes sensational. Hi everyone! These cinnamon rolls are yummy, sweet, and delicious, and best of all, they use a lot less sugar than most recipes. So let's get started. First, we're going to preheat the oven to 375 degrees. And we'll start by making the dough. In your mixing bowl, add 3½ cups flour, 1/4 cup sugar, 2¼ teaspoons instant yeast, a pinch of nutmeg, but this is optional, and 1 teaspoon cinnamon. Then mix it up. Now over to the stove. In a saucepan, we'll melt 6 tablespoons of butter on a low-medium heat. And once that's melted, we'll add in 1/2 cup milk and 1/2 cup sour cream. We'll warm it up and then whisk in 1 egg. Then we'll add that to the dry ingredients and mix. Then we'll just let the dough rest while we make the filling. In a bowl, we'll combine 1/4 cup sugar and 1 tablespoon of cinnamon. Then just set that aside. On a large floured surface, we're going to roll out the dough. We rolled ours out to about 22 by 17 inches. We spread room temperature butter over the surface, then sprinkled the cinnamon sugar filling on top. Now just roll up the dough into a long log. Next, we'll slice the roll into 1 to 2 inch pieces. Place them on a greased baking sheet and bake for 30 to 35 minutes. While the cinnamon rolls are baking, we'll make the cream cheese frosting. In a food processor, combine 4 ounces of cream cheese, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 3/4 cup powdered sugar, 2 tablespoons of softened butter, and 1 teaspoon of milk. Process that until it's well combined. Once the cinnamon rolls are done baking, spread the frosting on top while they're still warm. Allow the cinnamon rolls to cool, then enjoy. Although this cinnamon roll recipe uses less sugar, they're still incredibly sweet and delicious. In fact, I prefer these so much more than the ones that are just loaded with sugar. But let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. That's all for now. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.